on.
That's right. Let's see.
Okay.
Where's the hamper?
It's over by the bed, in between the bed and the wall.
Well, I don't want
Come on, guys. You want to open the window first?
to. Yeah, but it doesn't look like there's.
Yeah, he's little. He's in there.
Oh, guys.
I don't see anything.
He's in there, Ryan.
You sure?
I'm positive. He's right in the middle of that basket.
There's nothing in the middle.
Yes,
It's just
there
a big-
is. No.
big-
Do you want me to open the window?
Well, no, I want to find him first.
Oh, shoot, Ryan. I mean, I'm just telling you, he's in there.
Well, I got to know where he's at so I can get a hold of him, you know?
Hey, Ryan, I found it. It's right there.
No, it's a black. That's the fly swatter. That didn't work.
You sure this wasn't no kind of bug or anything?
Ryan. He flew.
Oh, fly.
Take the basket off.
Hold on.
No.
See?
Yeah, I found him.
Told you. Okay.
He's still alive. He's breathing. I heard him breathe.
Don't open it. Baby, come in right now.
Okay, hold on.
This goes up?
Yeah.
Just push. Oh, very nice.
Okay. Come here, guys. He's gonna throw him over.
Man, I can't.
See, Matthew wanted me to do that.
We're never ever gonna get this bird out here. Yeah. Ryan, I think some more birds are gonna get in here.
Got him. Is that him?
Yeah, it's him.
Just throw the whole sheet out there.
Oh, I'm just going to give it a toss. You ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Did you got him?
Oh, he's gone.
Okay, guys, get back.